What can I do?
So this is a topic I'm really excited to talk about. Will ChatGPT take my data analysis job? Because there's a lot of fear going around where ChatGPT can eliminate a lot of jobs, and that includes data analysis on many lists and articles that you see. And I want to share my perspective on the matter and why I don't think you have to be worried. Because what I find with ChatGPT, AI, and all its alternatives is that it helps me to be more well-rounded as a data practitioner. So say like we're all these video game characters, we have our strengths and weaknesses. I'm strong, say you're strong in a technical ability in Python scripting and SQL, and you could use some improvement when it comes to your communication and writing style. Well, ChatGPT is able to answer all of those kind of like attributes and really helps you become more well-rounded. Say communication is a point where you really need to improve. Well, ChatGPT is able to help you communicate those insights and help you communicate them to the stakeholders that need to know, that are frankly like non-technical. And so that way you could distill it into a simple, easy to understand format. That's what I find to be really helpful for me. And something like that, being able to communicate, will take you and your career so much further. Additionally, ChatGPT has helped me so much when it comes to learning about like debugging my code and providing new code in terms of like Python and automation. It has helped me so much as a tutor when it comes to understanding machine learning models. So if you're somebody that is very driven in their career and looking to be the best that they can possibly be in terms of constant improvement, I find AI to be something that's going to be a lot more helpful for you. Our jobs may change, but our jobs will still be there. Our job description might be a little different. So that's what I want to share with everybody here today. I think that if you're somebody that's driven in their career, you don't have anything to worry about. But if you are somebody that's just looking to do a 9 to 5 and just kind of just get by on your job, then maybe there's something you got to worry about. Because with AI, it's taking the wisdom of the average user, average results. But as you know, if you're somebody that's like, you're looking to provide non-normal results in terms of providing insights that's going to be driving a lot of impact, then you don't have to worry about it because it's going to help you do really well. So that's what I wanted to share with you all today. I just wanted to make it fairly short. So I hope you find this to be helpful. Thanks.